natural remedies in with homeopathy so that these issues can be probably help to be resolved, or the effects could be lowered down?
In homeopathy, in classical homeopathy more specifically, there are not specific medicines for specific illnesses. Like if
Okay.
10 patients are suffering from fibroids, we won't prescribe the same medicine to each one of them. There'll be
Okay.
10 different medicines based on their physical symptoms, based on their mental health, based on their family history, all that we come to after taking a detailed case history. So we'll give them a personalized medicine, that you can say, based on their overall health, based on what
Okay.
suits them the best. We call
Okay.
it visualization in homeopathy. So that's how it works, and that's how people can notice improvement in all the aspects of their health. Like if somebody PCOS, let's take PCOS. If somebody has facial hair, acne, menstrual irregularities, and they come to us uh, for them, they'll notice improvement in each one of them, even with one medicine. Like I won't have to give them separate medicine for facial hair, for acne, for regulating periods, for weight loss, for hair fall. One medicine will cater to all their issues, and they'll notice improvement in everything. So that's how it works in homeopathy, and we've seen some beautiful results. I do have some documented cases, and it's not just like improvement that you can see symptomatically. There are ovarian volume we can see in ultrasounds, before and after, how it beautifully comes back to normal, how the hormonal assays they change with treatment. So it does work